Now, let me discuss the next group of drugs increasing the dopamine level at synapse. Now, what is the drug which will increase the dopamine level at the synapse is amantadine. So remember, this particular amantadine is the drug which will increase the dopamine level at the synapse. As such, amantadine, this is an antiviral drug. Right? Remember, as such, amantadine is an antiviral drug. What this amantadine will do is, it increases the synaptic dopamine levels. Right? What it will do, it will increase synaptic dopamine levels. Now the question is, how it will increase the synaptic dopamine levels? How it will increase the synaptic dopamine levels is, number one, this amantadine will increase, right? This amantadine will increase the presynaptic release. Right? It will increase the presynaptic release, and not only that, this amantadine will decrease its reuptake. Right? It will decrease the reuptake. Right? And this particular amantadine, it is having antiviral property. It is used in the treatment of Parkinsonism, and this amantadine, it also possesses the anticholinergic activity. Right? It also possesses the anticholinergic activity, and it also has anti-glutaminergic activity. Right? It also has anti-glutaminergic activity. Right? Now, the adverse effect associated with this particular amantadine is, this amantadine, this will cause the edema within the ankles. That is, it will cause ankle edema. This will also cause nausea. This will also cause insomnia, the difficulty in the sleep, and this will also cause libido reticularis. Right? This will also cause what is called libido reticularis. So these are the adverse effects associated with the amantadine. And what is the use of this amantadine is, remember, amantadine will reduce the dyskinesia associated with chronic levodopa therapy. Whenever I was discussing the levodopa, the adverse effects of one of the usage of this levodopa was dyskinesia. So this levodopa, it was associated with dyskinesia, that is abnormal movements within the trunk, within the limbs, and within the tongue. So the dyskinesia, that abnormal movements, will be reduced by using this particular amantadine. Right? So this amantadine will reduce the dyskinesia associated with the levodopa. Right? Associated with the levodopa. So this is about the drug which will increase the dopamine level at the synapse. So amantadine is the drug which will increase the dopamine level at the synapse. So basically, this is an antiviral drug. What it will do is, it will increase the synaptic dopamine levels. How it will increase the synaptic dopamine levels is by increasing the presynaptic release of dopamine and by decreasing its reuptake from the synapse. And apart from the antiviral property, it also has anticholinergic and as well as anti-glutaminergic activity. The adverse effects of this amantadine is, it will cause ankle edema, nausea, insomnia, and libido reticularis. And the amantadine, it will reduce the dyskinesia associated with chronic levodopa therapy.